In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pepperstone to Tradingview. By the end, you'll be able to trade directly from your Tradingview charts using your Pepperstone execution, which is a great way to keep analysis and order placement in one place. Before we begin, make sure you can log in to both Tradingview and your Pepperstone account, and that you have a stable internet connection. Start on tradingview.com and sign in to your Tradingview account. You can use a free plan for broker connections, and it works well for most users. Paid plans do add extras like more indicators, alerts, and chart layouts, but they aren't required just to connect a broker. Once you're logged in, open any chart. The connection features live within the chart interface. At the bottom of the chart, look for the Trading Panel tab. Click it to expand the panel. This area lists all supported brokers and integrations available to connect. If you don't see the panel, make sure your chart is in the standard layout and you're not in a lightweight or pop-out window. In the trading panel, scroll through the list or use the search field to find Pepperstone. When you see the Pepperstone logo, click Connect. If Pepperstone doesn't appear, double-check that you're on the main Tradingview site and that your region supports this integration. Keeping your browser and Tradingview up to date can also help the panel populate correctly. A login window will pop up for Pepperstone. Enter your Pepperstone trading credentials carefully. If you use two-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to complete that as well. It's important that the account you're signing into supports Tradingview connectivity. Many users connect via a Razor-type account, so verify your account type in advance with Pepperstone if you're unsure. After entering your details, proceed to approve the connection when prompted. You'll then see a permission screen asking you to authorize Tradingview to access your Pepperstone account. Review the request and allow access to complete the link. When everything is successful, the trading panel will show your Pepperstone account name, connection status, and your account balance. From here, you can place and manage orders directly from the chart, monitor positions, and see execution in real time alongside your technical analysis. If something doesn't look right after connecting, refreshing the chart often updates the panel. Also, always confirm you're connected to the intended live or demo environment before placing any orders. That's it. Your Pepperstone account is now connected to Tradingview, letting you analyze and execute in one streamlined workflow.